Hi, I'm Dan, co-founder of Cinergi. Today we're in a property in Winchester. It's a listed house and we're here changing the boiler for a new air source heat pump. It's the second day on site today, so boiler's out, cylinder's out, and the new stuff's starting to go back in. This is a new heat pump, ready to go in place, probably tomorrow. This is the old hot water cylinder that was ripped out. It was currently fed by a gas boiler, the gas boiler's gone now. And over there is where the new heat pump is going to be.
I live here in this house where we're having the air source heat pump put in central Winchester. Now we can get rid of the gas central heating, and then we can also close down our gas supply altogether, which will also be cheaper because we won't be paying the standing charge. So it involved finding somebody who was willing to give us a quotation for installing an air source heat pump. We were lucky because we realised we could tuck it into a corner of the garden which was fairly invisible and nobody was going to mind. A friend suggested Cinergi because she'd found the firm really helpful and flexible, and we got in touch, and that was really good because what we've agreed with them I think we all feel happy about, which is we're paying to have the new heat pump put in, and we're also having a new bigger radiator installed in the coldest room in the house. We're really pleased with it. It seems like a really good solution all round. Doing up your house to make your house use less energy is something that does depend absolutely on people who own houses. We were keen to do it obviously for ourselves, but also so that we could tell other people about it and say, look, it is possible, you can do it even in an old and largish house.